Poli.
Hello, Helly.
Hey, listen, do either of you know how to make hiccups go away?
You're hiccuping?
Well, I am. That's too bad.
It's worse than that. Cleanie's had them since yesterday.
Whoa, that's just terrible. Poli, is there anything we can do?
Listen, hiccups usually go away on their own. It just takes a little bit of time.
Oh, you should try holding your breath while you count to 10. I think that's supposed to work.
Yeah, I remember hearing about that. I'll try.
Then you just have to try to hold your breath while all of us count to 10.
Well, all right.
1,
2, 3, 4, and 5,
and 6,
7, and 8, and 9, 10.
Well then.
Wow, it worked! Well, so much for holding his breath.
Yeah.
Hey, it's worse than it was, Spooky.
Huh? That's strange.
Cleanie needs some help. You're right. Why aren't his hiccups stopping?
Yeah. Whoa, I just had a thought. I think I know how to cure Cleanie's hiccups.
Huh? What do you mean?
Huddle up. All right, sort of clean.
Oh. You have a hiccup that smells delicious.
Cleanie, come closer.
Stay away!
I want that hiccup! Give me my
Please stop! Huh? No!
Huh? Cleanie!
Help! Help!
Oh,
What
what
should
do
we
we
do?
I can't see.
Watch out, Posty!
Yeah! This is bad. I had better give the rescue team a call.
Gross! Gross! Yuck!
Hold on, Cleanie.
This is icky.
Help me.
Spooky, you'll be all right. Let's get you out of here. Helly, I think he's stuck on something. Can you take a look?
Sure, it's there. Get away! Oh, yuck! Oh, what am I going to do?
Amber, hurry!
Sorry, Spooky.
You should come out, or you might just turn into a fly.
Okay, this is the smelliest rescue ever.
By the way, when did this puddle get so polluted?
The trash must have washed into it during the last rainstorm.
All done, Helly?
Great, thanks.
Thank you all!
You're welcome.
I'm sorry, Cleanie. The ghost thing went all wrong.
It's It's fine. You guys were just trying to help.
Spinny spin, spinny spin.
We're having a ball game. How would you like to join us?
Ball game, ball game. Don't you ever get tired of games?
Tired of ball games? No way! It's fun!
He's right. Come join us. I say the more the merrier.
Not today. I'm already having fun. Gotta go. I have no time for a silly ball game. Oh, yeah. Listen, make sure you keep that ball of yours out of my yard. And don't forget it.
Okay.
Mickey doesn't like playing ball with us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay a little longer.
Okay.
Bye!
See you tomorrow.
Huh? Oh, I see you!
Mickey, it was a mistake. Don't be mad.
Hey, I'm not mad. Come and get your ball.
Really?
Wait. I'll kick it back. That is it! All right, you and your ball aren't allowed here.
That's what you want? I won't come back. I don't get it. First, he's not mad at all, and then he starts screaming his head off. I hope 1,000,000 balls fall in his yard. Oh, no! Now what am I going to do? I've got to get it quick. Where is it? Found it. What? No. Help! Save me!
Did I just hear something? Oh no, Bruner! How in the world did you get in there?
Mickey, get me out of here!
Hold on, I'll call the rescue team.
Found it!
Polly, the machine has stopped! Hurry!
Right. I'll drain the cement.
That's it!
What? Are you saying you were that angry at me just because you're not very good at playing ball?
Yeah, and because I'm not very good, I felt like I could never play ball with any of you. That got me really upset.
I see. Wow. And I thought you didn't want to play with us. That was a mistake.
I'm sorry, Bruner. This is all my fault. Just because I got mad at you.
Don't worry. Now that we know, even though you're not that good at playing ball, Next time, join us anyway, and we'll have some fun.
Yeah.
It's Rudy and Benny.
Hey, look. Ta-da! Wow, I want to try.
Hey, guys! What are you doing?
Well,
You two troublemakers! Because of you two, I have to come back here and pour concrete again! Oh, I'm so mad!
Mickey,
Mr. Builder!
you're supposed to be getting concrete. What are you doing out here?
Well, I was going...
Mr. Builder! We were playing, and Mickey just started screaming at us and really scared us.
oh, I'm scared.
That isn't true! Mr. Builder, please just hear me out!
Be quiet. You two run along. It's not safe to play at a construction site.
Yes.
Mickey, go refill your concrete and get back here at once. Oh, there it is.
He didn't hear me out at all, and he yelled at me. Keep the concrete thin, give the drum a spin. I don't want to go back. Huh? He must be waiting for me. Mr. Builder wouldn't even listen to me. If I don't go back, then he'll be sorry he yelled at me. That'll teach Mr. Builder a great big lesson. Huh? Hey, I can hide in here. There. And if I do this, they'll never find me. He won't finish his construction today. Huh? When did it get so dark in here? No! There's no way out! I'm scared. It's hard and I'm trapped.
Mickey!
Mr.
where are
Builder? Golly, what am I going to do? He must have been waiting for me this whole time. He's going to yell.
Now, where on earth did he go? What happened to him?
Mr. Builder!
Huh?
I am in here!
Mickey! What in the world happened?
The concrete hardened and now I can't get out! It's scary in here!
Just hang in there. I'll go call the rescue team.
I'm so sorry!
It's okay. Oh, they're here.
Mr. Builder!
Over there.
Holy, please help!
Don't worry, Mickey. We'll get you out of there in no time. Roy, this concrete has to go.
All right.
Mickey, stand back. This will be dangerous.
Okay.
That's good, Roy.
Yep.
Let's get this concrete out of the way. Mickey, it's all done. You can come on out.
Oh, thank you, Polly. I was mad, and I just wanted to hide, and that's what happened.
I see.
Mickey, I heard what happened from Benny and Rhodey, and I'm sorry I didn't listen to you, and I'm sorry I yelled.
I'm sorry, too.
Nah, I was just so worried about you. I'm glad you're all right.
Here's the question. What animal has a long nose and big ears?
A bunny.
You're wrong, Max. Yes, Poke? Poke, I don't know what you're saying.
Oh, I know. An elephant.
Hey, guys!
Hi, Helly.
So what's going on? Poke, where are you going?
Hey, Poke, are you here? Oh, hey, guys, look at those tracks. Poke came this way. Poke!
Let's follow.
Poke! Hey, Poke! Hey, Poke!
Huh? The tracks end at that rock slide.
What if Poke is trapped underneath those rocks?
What?
Poke! Guys! Poke's in there! Hey, Poke! You okay? He's still not answering. They're here!
Hey, friends!
Poli, Poke is trapped inside this cave.
Don't you worry. We're going to get him out of there. Could you all please move to a safe distance?
Okay, sure.
Let's hurry up and clear away all these rocks.
All right!
Whew. All done, Poli.
Good job.
Yes!
Poke! Are you hurt? Poke?
Poli, let me try to talk to him. Poke, are you all right? I know you're sad now, but Poke, listen. Your friends are really worried about you. Look there.
Poke!
We were really worried about you.
Come on out. Let's all play together.
Yeah, Poke. We like having you around. It doesn't matter that you don't say very much.
I'm glad that you're smiling. Do you want to go see your friends now?
Yes, Poke. Let's get out of this cave. I'll inspect the cave before I leave. You go ahead.
All right. Let's go, Poke.
Poke! We're glad you're safe. I was really worried about you.
Preventing a cold.
Johnny, look at this! What is it? Where's Charles? He's out today because he has a cold. That's too bad. I'm going to Broomsland this weekend and I can't wait! Broomsland? Yep. I'm going on the roller coaster and the bumper cars. Whoa, sounds great! Achoo! Watch out, Johnny! That's so gross. Sorry, Peter. Achoo! Achoo! I can't wait for this!
What's up, Jin?
Welcome back, everyone! I love the pig mask! That's hilarious!
Jin, do you not feel well?
Jin, are you getting a cold? There's some kind of bug going around Broomstown.
In that case, it's good you're wearing that mask. It helps to cut down on the number of germs that get spread around through the air.
That makes sense. Good thing, because I've got one for you, too. What? No thanks. I'm feeling fine. Oh, come on. Just try it on, Helly. You look so cute. Take it, Peter. Nice pass. And goal! All right, Johnny, I scored. Peter, I think I need to go home and lie down. Come on, you're tired already? Yeah. See you later. Johnny, you're so out of shape. Peter, come on, man. Yeah, all right. Huh. Let's get this half started right. Mom, I'm home.
Yes, I see that.
Nice work, Mom. These look great.
Not so fast. You need to wash these hands first.
I'll do it later. Peter, Mom and I made those to take to Broomsland tomorrow. I'll only eat a few. Peter! We'll do the petting zoo and the fireworks. Achoo! Tomorrow can't get here soon enough. Finally, I can't wait to go. Woohoo! I can't believe we finally get to go!
And we couldn't have asked for a better day.
Robert, you packed everything?
I've packed the lunchbox and I've got the camera.
And the mat?
Uh-oh. I'll be right back, sweetheart.
Every single time. Huh? Peter, do you have a cold?
Huh? No, I'm better than ever.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. Here, let me get that. I'll take it. See? Totally fine. Why do I feel so dizzy? I'm sure I'll be fine once we get there.
And now we've got the mat.
Peter! Somebody help!
Peter!
Huh? What happened? Oh no! Watch out!
Peter!
Peter!
Oh. He's got a nasty cold. I gave him some medicine for the fever.
Thank you, Amber.
Oh, Broomsland. Broomsland.
Just let him rest a few days until he's better.
Okay.
It feels so good to be outside.
Good morning. Hello, Peter.
Hello, Amber.
Hello, Amber.
So how are you feeling?
After sleeping like you said, I feel much better. I don't want to be sick ever again.
You can help prevent colds by doing a few simple things.
Really?
If there's a cold going around, it's a good idea to wear a mask to keep the virus from spreading. Washing your hands often and brushing your teeth will help eliminate any germs you may have come into contact with. If you're not dressed for the weather, your immune system can weaken. Be sure to dress warmly on cold days. If you cough or sneeze into your hands, you'll spread the virus to anything you touch. Cover your mouth with the inside of your elbow or a tissue. If you do catch a cold, get lots of rest and drink plenty of fluid. Understand?
Yes, Amber. Hey, Mom, can we go to Broomsland right now?
You're sure you're well?
Way sure. I'm 100%. Achoo!
Maybe it's more like 80.
No, Mom, I'm all better. Achoo! Achoo! It's just allergies.
Don't turn back when you cross the road.
Huh? A cat. Were you abandoned? Kevin, we've got a green light. Hurry up. Okay. Oh, I can't. Doug, wait up. Kevin, look out!
Hey, watch it!
I'm sorry.
There's a growing number of accidents recently with children at crosswalks. What do you think we should do?
I'll go and double-check that all the green lights are working properly.
Good. Amber, let's go together. We'll go out to the crosswalks and guide the children as they cross the street.
Soft, like a ninja. There.
Kevin, Mommy says come to supper.
There! All right.
Huh? What's that?
It's nothing.
Huh? A cat? It's so cute!
Shh! Mom cannot find out.
Kevin? Susie?
Okay, we're coming! Susie,
Precious!
thanks for dinner.
Thanks, Mommy!
Okay.
Meow, 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 meow.
Go on and eat, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth is not her name.
Hey, Elizabeth. Aren't you adorable?
Huh?
I'm awake, Susie. What's going on?
Elizabeth is missing!
Huh? Elizabeth?
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 Where are you?
I think she must have gotten outside.
Kevin, poor Elizabeth.
Elizabeth!
Where are you, Elizabeth? Huh? Come back!
Huh? Hey, Susie, wait!
Elizabeth? Huh? Wait for me!
Amber, let's see how things look at the 7th Street crosswalk.
Sure.
Huh? Oh. Okay, let's go.
Susie! I found her!
Elizabeth!
Out of my way!
No, Susie! Look out!
Look out!
Watch out!
Elizabeth!
That was dangerous, Susie.
Thanks for saving us, Polly.
Susie, you have to learn that it's very, very dangerous to turn back when you're crossing the road.
I didn't know.
Okay, both of you pay attention and I will teach you the proper way of getting across the road safely. Are you both listening? You need to be very careful because there are a lot of cars driving on the road. You must make sure all the cars are at a complete stop, even after the light says it's okay for you to walk. Once you cross the road, you must not turn around because cars might not see you coming back. When you have to go back, go all the way to the other side and wait for the next light. And while you're crossing the road, you should not pick things up from the ground, play games, read books, or look anywhere but the street.
Okay!
And if the don't walk light is flashing, then it's a good idea to wait for the next light.
Okay, Polly.
Quiet.
Okay, where have the two of you been? Huh? What is that, Susie? Oh my goodness! It's a kitty! Oh, I'm gonna call you Mittens!
Her name's Elizabeth!
I like mittens! Oh!
You can't change your name!
Look again to make sure the fire is out.
So tired. Huh? Wow! Awesome!
Did you buy another new tent?
I did. The latest model. It's the highest priced tent ever. Instant setup. Cool in the summertime, warm in the winter.
Wow!
Ta-da!
Johnny, what is that?
Well, it's called a hammock. You tie it between trees and use it as a bed.
Allow me to demonstrate. Huh?
Roy, hi there!
Long time, Camp. Camping up here?
Yup, the weather's perfect for it. How on earth could I stay home? Look around, the world is so wonderful.
Then have a wonderful time, Camp.
Always do.
I must remember to check the camping ground tonight.
Oh, Dad.
Huh?
You still haven't caught one?
Just keep waiting. Fishing is all about patience.
Are you certain there's fish in there?
The fish will never come near us if they hear you.
Huh? Dad, the floaty thing just moved!
Yeah, it's on! Oh, heavy one.
Yeah!
Feels like a giant one, too. Come on, fish!
Peter, just keep your eyes on your dad and see how a real fisherman does it.
You've said that like a dozen times, though.
Huh?
Robert, a little help?
Hang on!
Come on! You can do this, Dad! Dad, go get him! Dad? Wow! It's so big! Wow! It smells great! Dad, I want to eat it right now!
Well, it's all cooked. Try some.
Wow! Thanks, Dad! Wow! So good!
You're right. It's awesome.
Sure. That's 'cause I'm the one who caught it. The girl was just walking along, and she heard something, and then the monster went, "Ah!" That one there is the North Star. Long ago, sailors used that star to navigate. And see that one? Huh?
Shh. We should call it a night.
I'll clean up the campsite. Turn in.
They're having a great time.
Well, looks good. Now I'll check the other site.
Bathroom. Huh? Fire! The tent is on fire!
What? Johnny!
What? Looks like a fire.
Johnny, wake up!
Huh? Dad?
Here I come! Just thank goodness nobody got hurt.
This is all my fault. I should have made sure the fire was out.
Whenever you have a campfire, you have to make sure that it's completely out. When the wind blows, the remaining embers can spark back into fire and spread. When you put out a fire, watch until it's completely out, or pour water or sand on it. When the fire is out, stir the ashes and pour more water to be sure the fire is absolutely out. And bring a fire extinguisher. That way, if there's a problem, you can handle it.
I sure will. Thank you, Roy.
But Dad, where will we sleep though?
Come on, you can share our tent.
Are you sure?
Thank you, Mr. Robert. Oh, it's so packed.
Stuck in the elevator.
How should I know where camels live?
Camels live in the desert.
Whoa, you're so smart. And gators?
They're in the swamp.
Oh, this is the last one. Do you know where gorillas live?
I think that I forgot that one.
What, really? Then I still have one left, so what now?
I got it. We can search the internet. We can use the computer at my house.
Computer? Come on, let's go play video games. Do this research project. Let's go do it.
What?
Come on, Charles.
Looks like we're back in business.
Hold the door. I owe you one.
Did you know that if you forcibly keep the elevator from closing, that you could break the door?
I didn't know.
That's why the elevator's frequently out of order. It's because of carelessness.
I'm so sorry. I won't do that anymore.
Charles, what kind of games have you downloaded?
Peter, we're here for homework, not games.
Let's play for a little bit and then do homework. Peter, check this out. Johnny, it's just an elevator. It's like it's your first time. Huh? Whoa, look at that awesome view. Look right there. We can see City Hall. I see it.
Hey, you guys, you're not supposed to lean on there.
Are we there already?
Not yet. What happened?
Do you think that it's broken?
Hey, you guys, you all right?
So how do we get out of here? I have an idea. Somebody help! We're stuck inside here! Anyone? Can you hear us?
Try to calm down. We don't want it to fall any farther.
Then how do we get out?
The emergency button.
I'll just check in here and then I'll be finished.
Can anyone hear me?
Huh? What's the matter?
The elevator stopped suddenly and we're stuck in here.
I'm coming.
Get us out!
Oh, my goodness!
Come in, rescue team. I need you all at Broom's Villa right away. There's been an accident.
All right.
Right here! Right here!
Don't worry, Mr. Builder. We'll get them out. Roy and I will go to the roof to get the children. Helly, can you install the loop to hang the rope?
Of course.
Amber, can you make sure the kids stay calm?
Sure, Poli.
Hey, guys, are you there?
Amber!
Please get us out! We might start to fall again!
Don't worry. The rescue team is here. We just need you to stay calm.
Okay, we'll try. Poli, you're all set!
Go, Roy. Right. Roy, prepare the crane.
Right.
Are you guys all right?
Poli!
We're so glad you're all safe.
Thank you for saving us.
Charles, That's quick thinking, pushing the emergency button. This is the perfect time to talk about elevator safety. When riding in an elevator, be sure that your shoelaces and clothing don't get caught in the doors. Don't hold the doors to keep them from closing. Don't ever jump up and down in an elevator, or pound on the doors, or the elevator may stop. If the elevator does stop, don't ever try to force the doors open, or you could risk falling. The best thing to do is to remain calm, press the emergency button, and wait for help to arrive. That's easy, right?
Yep, we got it, Amber.
All set. The elevator should be good to go now.
It's all fixed? Charles, let's go play video games. Come on, Charles.
Hold on. We're supposed to do our homework.
Huh? Hey, you kids, don't run in the elevator, remember?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Bicycle safety.
Jenny, just try to balance, okay? I am trying to, but I can't.
How are you going to pass the bike exam riding like that?
I will pass it! Look here, Jenny. Watch me do it. Here goes.
Doug, you're kidding me. No way you're gonna pass like that. Watch how it's done.
Yeah? Well, look out. Ta-da!
Wow, not too bad. Check this out.
Hey, where are you going?
Huh? You all right?
Yeah, thanks a lot, Poli.
Practicing riding your bike?
Yeah, but it's hard to learn to ride all by myself because I keep on falling down.
Oh, no. I've got an idea. I can help you learn how.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Hooray, hooray! I think I'm going to fall down.
Jenny, don't look down at the wheels. Look ahead.
I'll try.
That's good. And pedal a bit faster, too.
I'm scared.
You can do it. If you pedal too slowly, then you'll fall down. You can trust me.
Here goes. Wow, I'm doing it. Poli, are you holding on tight?
No need. You're doing fine on your own.
I am? It's working. I'm riding all by myself.
Be careful.
Ah!
Are you okay?
I'm doing just fine.
From now on, look ahead. You've become quite a rider, Jenny.
Well, if so, it's all because of your help.
Remember, Jenny, when you ride your bike, rule number 1, safety first at all times.
Right.
You should make sure you're always looking ahead of you. Both hands should be on the handlebars, ready to use the brakes. If you just use the front brake, you may fall, so it's always safer to use both brakes. When you're going downhill, you can build up speed quickly, so it's important to use your brakes and stay in control. When you're riding on the road, it's very important to use hand signals to let others know when you're turning, slowing down, or stopping. And when you cross the street, you must get off and walk your bicycle. You're doing great, Jenny.
Thanks a lot, Poli.
Attention! The bicycle safety exam is about to begin! Points off! Points off! Points off! I'm sorry, Doug, but you failed the test.
Wow, that test was too hard.
That's too bad. Watch and learn. I'll show you how it's done. Oh, yeah. Let's do this.
Points off!
Yahoo!
Too fast! Points off! Kevin, you failed.
There's no way I could have failed.
Next entrant, please get ready.
Excuse me. Jenny, hold on. You don't even know how to ride.
You're going to look like a fool.
Now, here goes.
Whoa! All right, there. Yeah. Huh? Whoa. A crosswalk means I should walk with my bike.
Congratulations! Entrant number 10, Jenny, you passed the test!
Huh?
Yay! Wow, that's great!
Hey, don't you remember what I said? Get off and walk when you cross the street.
Jenny!
Rule number 1, safety first at all times. That's right. You're the ones who failed the test, remember? You two should be extra careful.
All right. We've heard it a million times before.
Listen, did you check your bicycles? Kevin, your seat looks like it's too high.
Stop! See you later.
Wait! I'm not done teaching you about